Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the product or service. Today, we're taking a look at Northwestel, found at northwestel.com. This telecommunications company provides a variety of services to residents and businesses across northern Canada, including Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and parts of northern British Columbia and Alberta. Their website serves as a central hub for accessing information on their offerings, managing accounts, and getting support. Navigating northwestel.com, you'll find details on their internet packages, including various speed options and data allowances. They offer fiber optic, DSL, and satellite internet, catering to the diverse needs and geographical challenges of the region. Mobile phone plans are also prominently featured, with choices for individuals, families, and businesses. Prepaid and postpaid options are available, along with information on coverage areas and roaming charges. Beyond internet and mobile, Northwestel provides landline phone services, offering traditional phone connections with features like call waiting and voicemail. Business solutions are also a significant part of their portfolio, encompassing dedicated internet access, networking solutions, and data transport services. For customers in more remote locations, Northwestel offers satellite TV packages, providing access to a range of television channels and entertainment options. The website includes a support section with FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information. Customers can access their accounts online to manage bills, view usage, and make changes to their services. Northwestel also highlights its community involvement and commitment to serving the unique needs of northern Canada. They emphasize the importance of connectivity in these regions and their role in bridging the digital divide. Overall, Northwestel.com provides a comprehensive overview of the company's services and resources for customers in the North.